Meaning of false.
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 False. The word false is an adjective that describes something that is not genuine or true. It usually implies that what is being referred to is deceptive or incorrect, and can be misleading. Something that is false may be intentionally misleading or unintentionally incorrect. In the context of logic and programming, false often refers to a Boolean value that represents the absence of truth or a negative result. In essence, anything that is false is not real or accurate, and should not be relied upon as such.